This is DCCS. TV Channel 19. A commission TV station rated by Kasi Incorporated. CMS Indonesian City. Rated. Now, this is National Operation and the Ministry of Operations. Valid December 31, 2013. CMS Incorporated. CMS. Quezon City, Republic of Philippines. The CMS rated at San Tomas Domingo, Patasuna, Quezon City. CMS rated from 5 a.m. to 1 a.m. 500 million peso. 107.184. CMS 2 Real by June. CMS 2 National Capricious Judicial and Mariana. Again, number 17621. Nicolio A. Soriano. Number 16146. Smini Mubao. Inequalities again, number 1784. Aner Padilla. Inequalities again, number 6147. Rodrigo Caladam. Inequalities again, number 00005. Gregorio Hoffman. Inequalities again, number 784. Inequalities again, number 16157. Aner Cadino. Inequalities again, number 16715. Paulo Maluban. 51 UNCR-1711. Sido and Nupo 95 1 PNCR-115 and Pahentos 1 PHN COC-15. Ladies and gentlemen, the WSF TV Channel 90 is now signing on.
This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Alam nyo bang ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, ano na nangyayari sa mga gera neto ngayon? Parang nakakatakot na. Kaya iba nagpapanik buying, iba naman nagpapanik lang dahil walang pambuying. So anong gagawin mo? Buti na lang, real faith has something to do with our surrender to God's sovereignty. Kaya inaanyayahan ko yung panoorin niyo yung video na to para makita ninyo anong ibig sabihin ng nagpapasakop tayo sa pamamahala ng Diyos. Bakit importante yan? Kasi kahit anong nangyayari, ito ang tatandaan natin. God is still seated on the throne. So sama-sama tayong manood ng mensaheng ito at pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon Diyos. Alam niyo po, sa panahon natin, nakakagulat po, no? Dahil siyempre, alam naman nating lahat, merong digmaang nagaganap sa Middle East, and marami